Setup. Okay guys, so we are going to learn how to set up Kali Linux 2022 in just 2 minutes. So within 2 minutes your Kali Linux will be installed and set up for penetration testing, cybersecurity and ethical hacking lab. Let's see. Just visit the site kali.org official site, okay? And this on this site we are going to download the VirtualBox image file, okay? Virtual machine image file. So just go back. I will show you on the main page. From the main page you can just go to the download. You can see the download option. Click on the download and then go to the virtual machines, and here if you click you will see two options, VMware and VirtualBox. These are two important virtualization software, VMware and VirtualBox. I am using VirtualBox, so I am going to download the VirtualBox file. If you are using VMware, you have to download the VMware file. There are 32-bit and 64-bit, both versions are available. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, it's according to requirement. I am going to download VirtualBox file. Since I have already downloaded this file, the size is 3.7 GB as you can see. Now I don't need to download it again. I'm just going to my folder where I have downloaded. It's inside my D drive ISO file. So I go inside that folder and you can see this is Kali Linux 2022, and just double click here. Let's see. Just double click. When you double click, it will open in VirtualBox automatically. So here you have to make certain changes, like if you want to change the name, you can change the name. If you want to change the other things, you can change other things also, like you can increase the RAM also from 2 GB to 4 GB. Let me make it 4 GB, so 4096 MB is equal to approx 4 GB. I have changed the RAM to 4 GB. Okay, and now you can just agree and see. It's done. So it will be ready within 2 minutes. Just see. After setting up, after when this will be done, when this will be successfully imported, you have to make one setting in the network area. So in place of NAT, which is network address translation, we are going to make it bridge adapter, so that it can communicate with other devices in the VirtualBox and other devices in this network. It means with my real machine, with my Android phone, my iPad, all those devices which is connected with this network or this Wi-Fi network. Okay, so let's see. So this is about to finish. Okay, now done. Now I go to settings and make one changes in the network area. Okay, so let's see. Here no changes, just network. In place of NAT, I am going to select bridge adapter and click on OK. That's done. Now you can start the session and see. This is the by default username and password will be Kali and Kali. Username Kali, password Kali. You can see through the description. Okay, so it will be same for you and same for me. Just start. Once started, it will ask you for login name and password because it has been already installed. Just type the username and password and done. It's booting, so let it boot. Now you can see it's asking for username and password. Username by default Kali, password is also Kali. Login and done. Hence your Kali Linux machine is ready. You can enjoy the video.